Hi everyone, it's Destiny here at Byrider in Green Bay. I just wanted to talk about how easy the car buying process is with us. One way is to go to our website and click on the Get Approved button and submit some information there. After submitting the information, we will be able to see the application here at the store. One of our wonderful sales reps will be able to reach out to complete the application process with you in person or on the phone. Once that process is complete, the only thing left to do is to go over some details with management and test drive some vehicles to fit your needs. After that, you will wrap things up with the manager, and then you're ready to drive away in your nicer, newer vehicle, starting the car buying process experience over online. It's convenient and easy. So if you're looking for a vehicle and need help building your credit, visit our website at byrider.com, call us at 920-455-7788, or come down to Byrider in Green Bay at 2805 Ramada Way.